Welcome to my tutorial. Now I'm going to show you Microsoft Excel, Word text, and also merge to center, how to use it. So this is the sample. You can see the first name, unable to display all. If you want to display all, you can use the Word text. Click on it, so you will show all. You also can unclick, it will return the same. Or another option, you can click on the column and you can see the ruler here. You double click, so you also will auto expand. If you want to cut off the spacing, you also can click on it, so you will minimize. So you will auto for the whole column if you do like that. For the row, you just click in row. Okay, if you want to merge two columns into one, you can use the merge and center. You also can see the example here. It shows you how to merge. You can play around with it. So you only will show in one column. For example, we delete it. 3, we want to merge into one column. Two columns become one column and display in one value. Thank you for watching.